We can achieve this through the spiral flounce method or the circle method. We are going to use circle method in achieving this. Now, the circumference of the area we want this flounce to be is 30. So note that the circumference of that area is 30, or let me say the surface area we want the flounce to cover is 30. So we want the width of the flounce or peplum to be, we want it to be 6. All right. To get the radius of the circumference 30 in this case, which is the surface area we want the flounce or peplum to cover. So use 6.28 to divide this 30. It will be to divide this 30, because the formula for getting the radius of a full circle is 6.28, and we are using a full circle to achieve this flounce. Therefore, the circumference is 30 divided by 6.28. We have 4.77, which means our radius for this full circle is equal to 4.77. Now we want the length of our peplum or circle to be 6. Now, to get the amount of fabric we are going to fold over, 4.77 plus 6 is equal to 10.77. We are going to fold our fabric by 10.77. But for us to have something to trim, we are going to fold it. We can fold it by 11. Let's fold it by 11. To fold a full circle, we are first going to fold our fabric into 2 this way. Fold it into 2 this way, then measure our 11. This is our 11. Measure another 11 from this side. This method is just for you to conserve your fabric so that you won't end up wasting your fabric. Measure 11 from this edge and use it to fold a perfect square. Using this method, your fabric will be well conserved. We have 4, 2 fold, 2 fold, 1, 2, 3, 4 plies here. So now we have to impute our radius. Our radius is 4.77. Impute your radius. 4.77. Measure its round. 4.77. 4.7. 4.7. Measure the 4.7 round, which is our radius. Now, the length of our peplum is 6. You can start measuring from this place like this, 6. But if you use this method, starting from here to measure the length, you may end up having unequal circumference around the circle. But all you have to do is measure 10.77 that we got after adding. Mark your 10.77 round like that. So by the time you trim off the radius here, you are going to get your 6 inches that we are going to get the 6 inches that we deserve for the length of our flounce or peplum. Let's cut our radius off now. This is the radius. Show it off. Cutting out the radius and cutting out the hem, we should measure here. Now we have our 6 inch. Open it at the middle here. That is if you want what you want to use it to do has a zipper. But if you are doing it without a zipper, you don't need to open it up. You can place this wherever you want. We are infusing this place to the side seam because we are using it as flounce. So since we are using this as flounce, this is what we have. You are just going to sew this place into the side seam of the garments. If you are using it as a peplum, you are going to sew this place round the waist of around your upper bodies or wherever, your sleeve, circumference, or whatever you want to use it for.